Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to start with FMG Quick Revision 2019 December. In this video I will be cover most of topic from OBS and gynae. So let's get started. Question number 1. Human chorionic gonadotropin hormone secreted by? Option number A syncytotrophoblast, option number B yolk sac, option number C cytotrophoblast, option number D placenta. So here correct answer is A syncytotrophoblast. Next one. A lady present with infertility and diagnosed with bilateral cornual block on hysterography. So what is the next step? Option number A IVF, in vitro fertilization, option number B tuboplasty, option number C laparoscopy and hysteroscopy, option number D ultrasonography. So here correct answer is C laparoscopy and hysteroscopy. Next one, AMSIL criteria is used for? So first of all we have to know the criteria of AMSILs. So AMSILs criteria contain pH more than 4.5 and kilo cells amounts more than 20%, and third one is include white whiskey discharge homogeneous kind, and fourth one is include here BIF test and amine test is positive. So now we will see the option: A Gardnerella vaginosis, B Candidiasis, and C trichomoniasis, and D Chlamydia infection. So these are characteristic present in the Gardnerella vaginosis. So correct answer is A. Next question: testosterone secreted by the A leading cells, B Sertoli cells, C theca cells, D granulosa cell. Correct answer is A testosterone secreted by the leading cells. Next one. After a normal delivery in a 27-year-old female, placenta is still attached with uterus. Most common complication which can occur due to forceful traction of the cord. Option number A hemorrhage, option number B uterine inversion, option number C uterine rupture, option number D placenta retraction. So here correct answer is B uterine inversion. Is correct form in anterior uterine inversion. Why? So how we will prevent this condition, uterine inversion? So now WHO give the new guidelines where after the fetus deliver, so have to give oxytocin intramuscular injection. To given this injection we can prevent this condition, and uterine inversion will be normal. Next one, a patient with 37 weeks of gestation came to hospital without antenatal checkup and presented with onset of labor. On examination, the mother is hepatitis B positive. What management should be given to neonates? Option number A hepatitis B vaccine only, and option number B hepatitis B vaccine plus IG immunization. Option number C first IG then hepatitis B vaccine after a month, only IG. So here correct option is B hepatitis B vaccine plus IG immunization together. Next one, a 32-year lady with uterine fetal death after normal vaginal delivery continue passing from urine from vagina. What is the probable diagnosis? Option number A bladder rupture, option number B vesicovaginal fistula, option number C urge incontinence, option number D stress incontinence. So correct answer is B vesicovaginal fistula. Next one, a 16-year-old girl with acute bleeding per vaginal was presented to the clinic. What is the immediate management? Option number uterine ablation, option number B uterine artery block, option number C progesterone, option number D hysteroscopic examination. So correct answer is progesterone. First have to check progesterone level. Next one, a 67-year-old female with hypertension and diabetes come with heavy bleeding per vaginal. What is the next management? Uterine ablation, uterine artery block, hysterectomy or laser? So here correct answer is the hysterectomy. Next one, a lady with amenorrhea and galactorrhea. Option number A pituitary adenoma, B adrenal hyperplasia, C 17-alpha hydroxylase deficiency, option A none of the above. So it is due to the pituitary adenoma. Next one, a 35-year-old with 36-week pregnancy come with history of 5 convulsion at home. Diagnosis made by doctor is eclampsia. Next, management. So 35-year-old lady, 6 week pregnancy, come with history of 5 convulsion at home. So here next management should be only labetalol, only MgSO4, MgSO4, labetalol and clonidine. Correct answer is C, MgSO4 plus labetalol together. Because maybe it will due to the hypertension also, so we have to give the antihypertensive drugs of choice in eclampsia is labetalol, and anticonvulsive drugs MgSO4 we have to give. That's the correct answer is C. Next one. A 34-year-old lady with 4 children, after 5 normal vaginal delivery, excessive bleeding after placenta removal is due to option number A estrogen, option number B progesterone, option number C FSH LH, option number D PPH. Primary postpartum hemorrhage. So here correct answer is D, primary postpartum hemorrhage. Next one. 32-year-old lady with twin dichorionic diamniotic, first baby breech presentation and second one baby cephalic presentation. So what is the management? Management always be cesarean section. Option cesarean section. So correct answer is cesarean section. Next one. A lady with 36-week pregnancy with previous cesarean section come with low BP, tachycardia and ultrasonography fluid present in peritoneum. What is the diagnosis and uterine management? Option number A uterine scar rupture with laparotomy, laparoscopy, ectopic pregnancy or placenta previa. So correct answer is A uterine scar rupture with laparotomy. Next one. 32-year-old lady presented with pregnancy, mild bleeding and pain. On examination, uterus is tender and fetal heart sound is absence. What is diagnosis? So here you can see pregnancy, mild bleeding with pain. On examination, uterus is tender and fetal heart sound is absent. What is diagnosis? So option number A abruptio placenta, option number B fetal distress, option number C ectopic pregnancy, option number D placenta previa. So correct answer is A abruptio placenta. Next one is a lady with 12 weeks of pregnancy with bleeding and on examination vagina is normal, internal os is closed and live birth sign on UST and fundal height is 13B. Diagnosis is the option number A threatened abortion, option number B complete abortion, option number C incomplete abortion, option number D inevitable abortion. Correct answer is A threatened abortion. Next one. A newly married couple, the woman is having irregular menstruation. What is the contraceptive of choice? Option number A barrier method, option number B oral contraceptive method, option number C calendar method, option number D progesterone only pills. So correct answer is the oral contraceptive pills. Next one. The contraceptive which is contraindicated in DVT. Option number A OCP, option number B barrier method, option number C billing method. So correct answer is A oral contraceptive pills. Absolute contraindication of IUCD. Option number A acute PID pelvic inflammatory disease, polycystic ovarian disease and breast cancer. So correct answer is acute PID. Next one. A female came with 36 weeks of gestation, gravid to parity 1. Which pain have and clinical finding were hematuria. Fetal heart rate was not detected. What is diagnosis and treatment? Option number A placenta previa and suction and evacuation. Option number B abruptio placenta and cesarean section. Option number C obstructed labor and cesarean section. So correct answer is C obstructed labor and cesarean section. Next one. Angle of cut in episiotomy. Option number is 60 degree at the midline, B 30, C 45, D 15. Correct answer is A 16 degree at the midline. Next one. Investigation of choice for endometriosis. Option number A CT, option number B MRI, option number C ultrasonography, option number D laparoscopy. Correct answer is D laparoscopy. Next one. A multigravid woman in labor room. After delivery the placenta removal, uncontrolled bleeding was seen. What is the most common cause of PPH in the woman? Option number A, atonic. Option number B, traumatic PPH. Option number C, clotting factor deficiency. So correct answer is A, atonic. Atonic is most common cause of in this condition for the primary postpartum hemorrhage. Next one. What is the dose of mifepristone in emergency contraception? Option number A, 600 mg. Option number B, 200 mg. Option number C, 400 mg. Option number D, 100 mg. So correct answer is A, 600 mg. Next one. Double decidual sign is seen in option number A, uterine gestational sac. Option number B, pseudo gestational sac. Option number C, threatened abortion. So correct answer is A, uterine gestational sac. Most common organism causing PID, pelvic inflammatory disease. Option number Neisseria gonorrhea. Option number B, Gardnerella vaginalis. Option number C, bacteriosis. Option number D, chlamydia. So correct answer is D, chlamydia. Next one. Late rupture of tubal pregnancy is seen in option number A, intestine. Option number B, isthmus. Option number C, ampulla. Option number D, fimbriae. So correct answer here A, intestine. Next one is a woman post coitus after 96 hours. Best contraceptive of choice is option number A, oral contraceptive pills. B, IUCD, intrauterine contraceptive device. Option number C, mifepristone. Option number D, progesterone only pills. So correct answer here B, intrauterine contraceptive device. So thank you. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends.